Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to add and open the GMT face now. Make sure your watch and iPhone are paired and updated, then open the watch app on your iPhone. In Face Gallery, search for GMT and tap Add. This places the face in My Faces so it syncs immediately. Once added, switch to it on your watch by swiping through Faces or select the face in the watch app and tap Set as Current. Doing this first saves time when you customize complications and time zones next. Now you customize which zones the GMT hand shows and which complications display city times. Press firmly on the GMT face and choose Edit. Rotate the digital crown to change the dial and the GMT hand position. In the Watch app on iPhone, open the face settings and add or reorder city time zones. These populate the GMT hand choices. Also choose which complication slots show world cities, date, or battery. These decisions finish by refining legibility and behavior. Pick high contrast colors, choose bold numerals, and assign the most used zones to prominent complications so you read times at a glance. If the GMT hand lags or a complication won't update, force restart the watch by holding side and crown until the Apple logo appears. This often clears sync glitches. If problems continue, resync the face from the Watch app or remove and re-add the GMT face to reset settings and restore correct time zone behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.